Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm Arif, your cloud learning journey partner. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you my CV that helped me to land interviews with Amazon, Google, IBM, and many more tech giants. So in today's video, I'm gonna help you to understand like how should you write your CV, what key points you should include in the CV, and what you should remove from your CV. And also at the very end of today's video, I'm also gonna share some tips that gonna help you to stand out when you're applying for jobs. Before starting the video, I just want to talk about myself. Well, I'm Arif. I do have more than 9 years of experience in cloud computing and cybersecurity. I hold multiple certification in AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. Besides that, I also have CISSP and CISSP certification, which we can consider the industry standard of cloud security certification. Well, this channel is all about cloud computing, cybersecurity, and IT related tips. So if you're interested in this topic, this channel is definitely for you. I'm gonna upload a tons of videos related to this topic. So please like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see my upcoming contents. So without further delay, let's get started. At the very beginning, let's start with the introduction. At the very top, we need to write down our name in a bold character to stand out, and then in the second line we have to write down the city from where we are currently applying for the job. So it really helps because for instance, like I live in Toronto, and if I apply for some jobs, the company also situated in Toronto, then they will feel like, yes, this person is already in Toronto, so there will be less complication to hire the person. And then you have to also add your phone number and email address so that the employer, the recruiter, can reach out to you once they feel like you have the potentiality to be a perfect candidate for this particular job role. And LinkedIn, always please add your LinkedIn profile. Before you add the LinkedIn profile, make sure your LinkedIn profile is well optimized. And once you have a very well optimized LinkedIn profile, it's an asset for you. So whenever you add the LinkedIn profile in here, and the job recruiter gonna go through your LinkedIn profile, and if they see some good certifications, some good feedback from your previous employers, then yes, this definitely it makes a very good impression. So every time whenever you're applying for jobs or updating your CV, please add your LinkedIn profile. And if you want to add me under LinkedIn, you can also send me connect request, and I'd be more than happy to connect with you and discuss more about IT career goals. And if you have any particular questions, so we can always catch up. And after this section, the next section is professional summary. Professional summary is the place where you need to highlight all the achievement that you have so far in your IT career. Not only your achievement, but also your skill set, what specific skills you have learned. And here you have to make the alignment in between your job posting, the job roles and responsibilities, and your skills. So there should be a very strong relation in between these two. So for me, my expertise is more in the cloud computing, multi-cloud like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and cybersecurity. So here, that's why I have added these key points. If you can see at the very top, I have just mentioned how many years of experience I do have. 9 years of experience is definitely a very positive side for me. It's a very strong side for me because in IT, experience really matters. If you have experience, that means you are well seasoned, you have some experience, you have handled situation, you know the technology. So that's why I put the experience at the very top. Please do that same for you. Even if you are fresh graduate, you can put some personal project that you have worked earlier here, some project, some achievement that you have. It always helps us to stand out from the others. So after that, then the second line you can add like what specific IT sector you really work on. For me, it's cloud CSOPs and cybersecurity. That's why I have mentioned in the here. And here I have also added some of my technical skills. And if you notice in here, whenever I'm mentioning this cloud service related thing, let me open a highlight thing. It will help me to explain better. So here, so experience on AWS. So here I have also explained which services that I'm referring to is always a strong side, because here you are not just saying I know this service, this AWS technology, but also you are mentioning which specific services you have worked on so far. We were highlighting it, so this pretty good. It shows that you have all the knowledge and experience related to AWS. I did the same thing with Azure. Here I've added some of the Azure services that I'm very comfortable with, and after doing that, now I'm focusing more into cybersecurity things. So here I have mentioned like which framework I have worked with, like SOC 2, ISO, NIST, HIPAA, PCI DSS, COBIT. So this is how I am aligning my skill set with the job role that I'm applying for. So this is how you should write your professional summary. It should highlight all of your skill sets, your experience, and what technologies you have worked so far. So that's the most important part of your CV, your professional summary. After professional summary, the next section in my CV is professional certification. So if you have achieved IT technical certification, it's really good to have those certifications under this professional certification list under your CV. There is always a debate in IT, like if this technical certification helps IT person to grow in their career. Well, from my point of view, absolutely it's helpful to have some technical certification, because it's also validating that whatever claim you're making, like I know this technology, if you back it up with this certification, then there is no doubt anymore. So just think about it. Two person applied for the same job role with the same skill set, with the same experience. One person have the certification. Which person gonna get the job? Just think about it. I'm pretty sure the person who already did the hard work, who went through all the guidelines, who spent the time and energy to get certified, to get the validation that yes, I am certified in this particular technology, would definitely get the advantage. So in this section, what I did, I have added my certification. So whenever certification you're adding, and creating a list, make sure the first certification should be most relevant certification related to your job, and this way you are prioritizing like which certification comes first. So this CV is more of a like I'm focusing on cybersecurity, so that's why I have added CISSP, CCSP, and then cloud solutions architect. Then I have added all the cloud certification, and at the very last I have also added some security certification too. So this way you have to sort your professional certification. And after that, here comes the most interesting part, that is the work experience section. This is very interesting. So whenever you are writing a CV, you have to focus a lot on this work experience section, and you have to start with your most recent job. So I am currently working under this company, and so most of the time what I notice the problem with the CV is that they just mention the job, the company name, the job title, and the duration. They don't give more insights, like what kind of job role you're doing, what's your day-to-day activities, what is your task. So it's very important to understand that it's also a very important section where you can showcase your skill set, like hey, I did this thing. So here for an example, I have mentioned like I have helped my company to achieve ISO certification, PCI DSS, SOC 2 certification. So here I'm highlighting all of my achievement very well. So the same thing I did in here. So I used to work for IBM. So what I kind of the like job role I have performed, what was my achievement. So this is how I have summarized my day-to-day activities in particular companies. So once we are done with the experience section, the last section in my CV is education and qualification. it is also helpful to have it under this section. So if you have done your take your academic degrees, like I do have masters in information system assurance management, which is like 50% of cybersecurity and 50% of information audit. That's why it more aligns with my career goal, which is cybersecurity. That's why I have added in here. And I also do have a bachelor's in software engineering, so I have added this. So that's a summary of my CV. So here you can add some more points, like if you're a fresh graduate, you can also add your volunteering experience, or if you have some if you work on some project, you have some Git repo there, you can showcase your coding skills, you can also do that. So the thing is, like, whatever you feel like, gonna make sure that you are already good in this particular field, you do have some experience, you have done your homework, and you are quite interested in this field, you have spent your time and energy to learn this particular technology. Please include that. Congratulations guys for reaching this far of today's video. I have shown you the CV that helped me to get interview calls from Amazon, Google, IBM, and many tech giants. So now I'm going to share with you some tips that will help you to stand out. So the first question could be like, yes, I do have a killer CV, I do have a very good LinkedIn profile, and which platform I need to use to apply for these jobs? That's a very good question. Well, from my personal experience, what I did, I only used one particular platform, that is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a amazing platform. Here all the professional jobs are already posted. Even if you go to LinkedIn and go to the job section and apply and search for your jobs, you're gonna see like hundreds, thousands of jobs related to your field, related to IT, and most of the time these jobs are all legit, and here you can apply for the jobs, and it's a great platform. So start with LinkedIn. And the second thing is that whenever you're applying for jobs, what happens, like when we are seeking for jobs, so we become a little bit of tense. So whenever we see some jobs, job posting that kind of align with our skill set, we just hit apply. But before hitting the apply button, we have to do some homework. That is, first we need to go through the job description. We have to understand what's the key concept, like what key skills they are looking for. Then we have to make some tweaks in our CV. It may take like few minutes to do the customization, but guess what, it will help you to stand out. And I feel like instead of applying 100 of jobs randomly, if you choose like 5 or 10 jobs, and for this you update your CV accordingly, your chances to land the job will be much higher in this way. So please do that. And during the job interviews, please try to try to follow some specific rules, like try to answer the question using this term methodologies. Well, I have created many videos where I have shared my tips, like how to crack IT job interviews. I'm gonna add the video link under the video description, from where you can easily know more about the job interview preparation phase. So that's all for today. If you guys have any question or any doubt related to your CV writing, please let me know in this comment section. Or you want me to review your CV, also you can send me an email, and I will do your CV review and give you a feedback. I'll also add my email under the comment section for you. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos. It means a lot to me, and our community is growing, and the ultimate goal is to create a community where everybody gonna help each other to become a better IT professional. And that's all for today. Have a great and wonderful day.